Burying the hatchet. Understanding peace and reconciliation. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, burying the hatchet. This idiom isn't about gardening or misplaced tools, but it carries a deep meaning about conflict resolution and making peace. Stick around as we explore its origins, meanings, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Burying the hatchet is an idiom that means to make peace with someone or to settle a dispute. It signifies the end of hostilities and the start of a peaceful or cooperative relationship. When people bury the hatchet, they agree to forget past conflicts and move forward in harmony. The phrase, burying the hatchet, has its origins in the practices of Native American tribes, particularly the Iroquois Confederacy. When these tribes decided to settle their differences and live in peace, they would literally bury a hatchet, a symbol of war, into the ground as a part of their peace ceremony. This act symbolized the end of conflict and the beginning of a peaceful era. To help you get a grip on using burying the hatchet in everyday language, let's look at some examples. After years of rivalry, the two competitors finally decided to bury the hatchet and work together. It's time for both parties to bury the hatchet and find a common ground for the betterment of the community. During the family reunion, they buried the hatchet and forgave each other for past misunderstandings. Burying the hatchet is not just about ending feuds or disagreements. It's about building bridges, fostering understanding, and promoting peace. In personal relationships, it can lead to forgiveness and reconciliation. In professional environments, it encourages teamwork, collaboration, and a positive work atmosphere. Embracing this concept can have profound effects on your personal growth and the well-being of your community. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and significance of burying the hatchet. We hope this video sheds light on the importance of resolving conflicts and fostering peace in your life. Remember, it's never too late to bury the hatchet and move forward in harmony. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Take care, and see you in the next one.